Good morning, students. Today we will see the sacred grooves. First of all, see the meaning of the sacred groove. See visually also. A sacred grove or sacred woods are any group of trees that are special religious importance to a particular culture. Sacred groves feature in various cultures throughout the world. These are in fact sanctuaries conserved by society and not by the government, forest department. And it has been conserved in name of God. It has special protection. These clusters or thick forests are present not only in Western Ghat of India but in entire country. More than 13,000 scared groves reported in India. The common example of sacred groves are the Ficus religiosa, that is the peepal tree, and Ficus bengalensis, that is a banyan tree. These trees are considered as religiously important due to their huge production of oxygen and helping it maintaining the balance in the atmosphere. Now we see the role of sacred groves. The value of sacred groves is immense. It is also responsible of rich medicinal plant, wild relatives of crops, many important species, which act as a valuable gene pool. They give much ecological and genetically significance and play an important role in wildlife conservation also. Some of the more the famous groves are the caves of the Kerala, which are located in Western Ghats and have the enormous biodiversity and the law. Of the Meghalaya, sacred groves associated with the every village, two large groves being in Mao Phalang and the Mausamai. Now we see the symbols of environment. It has a meaning related to environment conservation. These symbols refers as a save water. You have seen everywhere in India, symbol itself tells everything. Recycle. Mobius loop. The Mobius loop represents the recycling you have to be careful with, as it does not mean that the product is 100% recyclable. It just means that the product may be recycled or contains recyclable material. You always want to check with your local recycling container centers first beforehand. The tidy man. So the tidy man isn't really a certificate or approval of anything. It is a reminder for us through our trash in the garbage boxes appropriately. Get rid of your trash accordingly and of course do not litter. Energy star. This symbol can be found on all products that are energy efficient. Products with this symbol are sure to contribute in the reduction of greenhouse gas emission as well as save you some money in comparison with other products that aren't so energy efficient. Recyclable steel. Not all steel can be recycled. Only steel products with this symbol can be recycled. Most common recyclable steel products are soda cans and canned foods. Recyclable aluminum. Much like recyclable steel, aluminum products with this symbol on them can be recycled. Cans, aluminum foil, and foil trays can be made of recyclable aluminum. Compostable. Whenever you find this symbol on plastic, know that it's good. Usually plastic is not so great when it comes to environment, but any plastic with these compostable symbols means it is biodegradable. EcoSchool. This symbol for eco schools, which are an international program for schools for environmental management and certification and sustainable development education. Next is reuse, reduce, recycle, and save energy, save our climate. Now we see rare species. A rare species is a group of organisms that are very uncommon, scarce or infrequently encountered. This designation may be applied to either a plant or animal taxon and is distinct from the term of endangered or threatened. Rare of exotic wildlife species found in India. Nilgiri tahar, having a curved horns, a gluey coat, and porous fur. Nilgiri tahar is an interesting animal found in the western parts of India. Greater one, horned rhinoceros, Asiatic lion, snow leopard, black buck, lion-tailed macaque, red panda, Kashmir red stag. Now see the Beat National Park, an area of countryside or occasionally sea or fresh water, protected by the state for enjoyment of the general public or the preservation of wildlife. In Maharashtra, there are five national parks, namely well-known tiger hunts of Tadoba, Gulmarg, Pench, Navegaon, and Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Mumbai. Of these, Tadoba, Gulmarg, and Pench are part of three tiger reserves declared in the state. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, the oldest and biggest national park of the Maharashtra. The Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is one of the India Project Tiger Reserve. India's largest biosphere reserve is Gulf of Mannar